शहबाज प्री यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस फॉर गर्ल्स ने एक इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया था 1 डे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, जहां पर स्टूडेंट्स को दी गई बेसिक लाइफ स्किल्स की ट्रेनिंग, जहां इन एसोसिएशन विद ISACON 2022।
Carefully take the child on the hand with the support of other hand of the make 30-degree head low. Head low होने से gravity से कुछ भी अगर obstruct हो गया निकल जाएगा। One leg from on the other either side of the hand, so that it should be firmly supported firmly, and give 5 back slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then give 5 chest compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With that compression, only pressure it should, the foreign body which is obstructing, it should come out. In the anxiety, you should not put your hand inside when you cannot see the foreign body. It will again go inside and cause more problem.
एक एफर्ट जो रेस किया जा रहा है अवेयरनेस बच्चों के लिए बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट के लिए, जहां पर एक टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर यहाँ पर मौजूद रही और मेंबर्स ऑफ ISACON ने प्रोवाइड किया हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। हेडेड बाय डॉक्टर दीपक, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनेस्थीसियोलॉजी, ESI मेडिकल कॉलेज, डॉक्टर लता, रिसेप्शन कमेटी इंचार्ज ऑफ ISACON, डॉक्टर फुरखान, इंस्ट्रक्टर असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन केबिन IMS, डॉक्टर इफ्तिखार, चीफ ऑफ एनेस्थीसियोलॉजिस्ट एट ASM हॉस्पिटल, एंड डॉक्टर मुमताज़ OBG यहाँ पर मौजूद रहे। बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट ट्रेनिंग जो बच्चों को हेल्प करेगी ताकि उनके अंदर एक अवेयरनेस आए। कभी भी ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट होता है जहां पर विक्टिम को चोकिंग होती है या फिर ड्रोनिंग या फिर इवन हार्ट अटैक, ऐसे में स्टूडेंट्स को वो वेल इक्विप किया जा रहा है ताकि वो बेसिक लाइफ सपोर्ट स्किल्स दे सकें सभी विक्टिम्स को, ताकि पेशेंट को स्टेबलाइज किया जाए और इंश्योर करे कि जो इंजरीज हैं वो वर्सन ना हो। इसको इवैल्यूएट करने के लिए एक रिटन टेस्ट भी लिया गया और वेल कंडक्टेड किया गया और एसेस भी किया गया पावर ऑफ रिटेंशन और किस तरह से जो है बच्चे ने लर्न किया। ये ट्रेनिंग के लिए 50 स्टूडेंट्स से बढ़कर शहबाज प्री यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस फॉर गर्ल्स और स्टाफ मेंबर्स इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किए और इवेंट काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल रहा। इवेंट के अंदर बच्चों को काफ़ी सारी नॉलेज भी मिली और स्किल बेस्ड टेस्ट जो है 3 डिफरेंट लेवल पे रखा गया था, जिससे बच्चों ने वर्क को भी लिखा और काफ़ी सारे लोग अब इसके लिए क्वालिफाई भी हो चुके हैं। आइए देखते हैं इस इवेंट के हाईलाइट्स।
First of all, I would like to thank Adnan Wazir Saab for giving this opportunity. And secondly, we are having the conference, a state level conference on anesthesiology subject, so that we spread the awareness to save somebody's life. So it's not at all a difficult thing, but if you attempt, if you try, definitely in 10 you can at least save lives.
Whatever theory we discuss, it will go to our brain, but to have that skills, we need to practice. We have mannequins, we have trainers. We'll make 10 groups and we'll start practicing. Once you practice, you'll be perfect. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Asma Siddiqa from Shahbaz Pre University College of Science for Girls. CPR nothing but the compressing the person which are suffering from that with only per minute we should at least do 100 to 120 compression. We have get a very clear understandable the concept of that CPR by which we can save somebody's life also. So I thank with a deepest heart to the ISACON team members and doctors which have make awareness about the basic life supports.
I am Mariam Nikhat. The main motive of that program is to create awareness among the people that they can save the life as in the villages or in the flights or in the railways where the hospital facility is very far.
Myself Nusrat Fatima. If the person is conscious in that duration, stop the CPR. If the person is not in the conscious, they are not coming in the conscious, so continue the CPR and further medical health care.
I am Sumaya, student of PUC second year from Shahbaz Pre University College of Science for Girls. A heart attack happens when the blood flow to the heart will block. Who know the CPR can cause a great difference between a life and death of the person. Now I can confidently say that I have the ability to save someone's lives.
I'm Nasreen Firdaus. I feel so lucky to be the part of this prestigious institution. Our college provide coaching to NEET and CET aspirants. I'm blessed to be the part of this prestigious institute.
Be a lifesaver.
Be a lifesaver.
So be a lifesaver.
Be a lifesaver.
Be a lifesaver.
Everywhere doctor cannot be there. Common public will be there. If someone has complaint of chest pain and has fallen down, you have to start CPR. If you are not start CPR, then the outcome will be different. In India, road traffic accident, every half an hour there is one road traffic accident. If we provide timely care to road traffic accident patients, 70% of the lives we can save. I want to focus here, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, it is very prevalent. Heart attacks are very prevalent. Heart attacks happen early morning in home. By the time they reach hospital, they are already gone. That golden parade is gone. In that golden parade, we have to do emergency CPR. Try to buy some time so that experts or doctors can take care of them.
Flat surface with the face facing upwards.
बच्चों में कभी कभी क्या होता, जस्ट कुछ निकल गया, बोलने की कोशिश करता, खाने की कोशिश करता, वो पार्शियल
dehydration, so many things are sudden, some transient, like just temporary unconscious level, those things. A stroke, what is called as bleeding in the or this thing, stroke, that also patients will not be conscious.
Hey, are you alive? Are you okay? Hello? Please come for help. I'm right 120. Fast.
Very good. Count. Now you have to count loudly. Then again,
Are you tired?
120. Okay. See, now this is what we are saying. Again, here also the baby's head should always be low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, we'll shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So immediately you keep doing this. 3, 4, 5. Again. Head low. Head low. Yes. Assume the baby. 2, 3, 4, 5. Count. Now you have to count loudly. Then again,
Are you tired?
120. Okay. See, now this is what we are saying.
I'll pray that our college always shine.
We all pray to All Might that this institute burn like a sun and always shine like a star. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share and subscribe our channel.